Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and this right here is not your average typical coaster. The reason I got them is because of the marble material on top, which allows for absorbing liquids because of the porous material. Now, I tested this out myself and it did absorb all of that water. So these things really do work in absorbing any sort of condensation. Please take care when using these coasters. Because of their extremely porous material, they can stain. I do have one coaster with a coffee stain on it. To fix that, I created a solution of hydrogen peroxide mixed with cornstarch to create a paste. I put it over the stain on the coaster and I let it stay that way overnight. And by the next morning, the stain was out of the coaster. So there is a way to keep your coasters clean and free of stains. At the bottom of the coasters have a cork bottom. That protects any furniture that you're going to put it on from scratching. Of course, it comes in a beautiful, modern, marbled design that is very neutral and can go with any decor. They look beautiful in my home, even though they're just coasters. So if you have a problem with condensation, then I do recommend these ones by LIFVER, and that's my point of view.